Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up the theme customization feature in Bitform. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the form name. Then go to the Theme Settings section at the top right corner of the Form Builder. Bitform provides 3 theme options to customize your form's layout: No Style, Bitform Default, and Atlassian Theme. Use the preview option to see how your form will look with the chosen style. Once you are satisfied with its appearance, you can activate it. Use this option to restore previously applied styles if you have accidentally reset them. This option resets the form to its default theme style, removing any custom styles or modifications. Here, you can customize the accent color, background color, and font color of your form to suit your preferences. You can also customize the background color format of your form fields. Using this option, you can customize the border style for each input field in your form. With this option, you can choose the font family style for different elements of your form. By default, the font will be inherited from your site's theme settings. You can also select custom font styles from the available installed fonts on your site. You can choose a Google font from the drop-down menu via the API. This option allows you to customize the size of your form fields by selecting from 5 available options: extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. You can also customize the font size of both the field text and placeholders using this option. This option lets you customize the alignment of your form field labels, subtitles, and helper text. You can also adjust their font size, position, and alignment to suit your own preferences. Enabling this option will display the form content from right to left direction on your form. By using this option, you can add important rules to all styles, allowing you to override any conflicting WordPress theme styles on the front end. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.